Thomas and Friends with Railway Adventures. Season 4, Episode 2, Henry the Express Engine. It was a bright and sunny morning at Tinman's Sheds. And the engines were just waking up when Sir Tom Hanna arrived. Good morning, engines. Oh, good, you don't feel so well. I know, sir. I was up all night. There's cough. No, I think I'm ill. Can Henry pull the express because he's the only one strong enough to do it? Very well, Henry, you shall pull the express. Yes, sir. I understand, sir. Oh, good, then hop to it. Yes, sir. Henry races in after the station. Henry back down to the express coaches. The guard whistle blew, and the guard got in the coach, and Henry raced away with the express. First stop was Wellsworth. Henry stopped at Wellsworth. Once the passengers got off, and the guard whistle blew again, and Henry set off. Henry's next stop was Marin. He had to go back far enough to get to Marin. Right down the hill. He soon arrived at Marin. One more stop, old boy. That's Tinman. Then we'll be done with the express for today. Oh, okay, driver. Soon, Henry dropped all the passengers at Marin. Was heading on his way to Tinman. Soon, the big green engine arrived at Tinman. The last mainline stop now on the Sodor for the express. So the passengers got off board. Henry waited for the engine. One of the engines was shunt boarding his coaches into a siding, and that was Timothy. Soon the boarding's coaches were shunted into a siding. Timothy went back to the sheds, and so did Henry. So, Henry, how did you do on the express? Quite well, Gordon. You know, as soon as I came to the sheds. Great job, Henry. You did an excellent job with the express. We pulling it again Gordon would be better tomorrow, right, Gordon? Yes, and so he could pull it. Okay. With that, stripped on my left. Henry fell fast asleep.